Hello and welcome to this overview of the EINBREW 1V1P electric brewery controller. This product is designed for 1 and 2 vessel systems. It can control a single heating element up to 16 amps and a single pump up to 3 amps. It comes with a PT100 temperature probe, and all electrical connections are via IEC connectors. It allows you to define and store a recipe before you start. Some unique features. Although it looks like a standard controller and timer, it's not. It's a single microprocessor control system that allows you to define mashing steps and times, hop insertion times. It will also manage your cooling at the end of the boil. It has boil detect, where it attempts to detect the boiling temperature and alarm when it does so, and it manages grain rests during mashing. It also manages pump venting for those of you running a pump. You can start at any point in the cycle. You can pause and stop. You can move to any other point and start. So you've got complete flexibility. During the boil detect stage, when it does detect the boil, it will automatically ramp down the power to the element so that you get a good simmer as opposed to a vigorous boil. Thanks for watching. Happy brewing.